Hello, now that you've done the demo without the music, now we're going to do it with the music. As a quick reminder, when you're dancing salsa, you always want to take smaller steps than you normally would, simply because salsa music is always fast-paced and you want to make sure you keep up with the rhythm of the music. Okay, so let's begin. Notice that the song calls out the counts, making sure you stay with the rhythm of the music. Here we go, basics. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right. Get a feel for the music. I'll be calling out the moves as we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We'll be doing a side step in a bit. Alright, last basic. Side step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. Just basics. Alright, we'll be doing the right hand turn next. Last basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right hand turn. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Right hand turn. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Right hand turn. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basics. Now do the left hand turn next. After this basic. Left hand turn. Here we go. Left hand turn. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Left hand turn. Basic. Alright. And that concludes doing the demo with the music.